What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. I've got a 4,500-pound hat in the form of this E63 AMG S. This car is the best daily driver out there, combining speed, luxury, and great sound, but we're turning the sound up even more. On the car, we've got our full titanium exhaust system. We'll bring you guys forward, show you all the developments, and then show you how good it sounds. The exhaust runs 3 inches unrestricted into a factory-style link pipe. This is an H in it. It's larger diameter for better cross flow, for better sound. The system then runs all the way back unrestricted 3 inches back to factory-style OEM actuators, and then it flows unrestricted out to the exhaust tips. When the valves are open, it's a fully free-flow, unrestricted experience. From factory, the AMG Performance exhaust is quite good, but this exhaust is a huge weight savings, and it sounds even better, and you're picking up some performance as well. Utilizing OEM valve motors, this car does have the Rentec valve module, which you will need to open up the factory exhaust valves 100%. Fortunately, this car has that, so the combined modifications to this vehicle make this E63 the world's best sounding. If you think we're wrong, argue with us in the comments, but we know that we're right. Up front, the car does have a set of free flow downpipes, unrestricted, so we've got completely unrestricted sound from the turbos all the way back to the exhaust tips, finely tuned to give you that ultimate experience. With the valves closed, you're gonna notice that this car sounds like it is bone stock. We've designed the muffler casings to be very, very dynamic. When the valves are closed, you could roll down the Autobahn, 100 miles an hour, valves closed, comfort mode, and no one knows the car is modified. That's why we've perfected the exhaust experience for this W213 car and many other Mercedes models, but this will give you a good sound flavor of how good the 4-liter twin-turbo V8 can sound with the right mods. Let's do it up. Inside the W213 E63 AMG S, the downpipes, the full titanium exhaust with the Rentec modules to open up the OEM valves all the way. This is about as good as the sound out of the twin-turbo 4-liter V8 can ever get. And this thing is excruciatingly fast. Really, really aggressive, raw, engaging sound, more so than the AMG Performance exhaust. This setup gives you a lot more motorsport sound than the traditional setup. But real quick here, close the valves. This thing goes back to being bone stock, even with these free flow downpipes. This is the ultimate experience. A lot of people, when they buy this car or a C63 with the twin turbo 4-liter V8, AMG GTs, whatever, they just keep the factory AMG Performance exhaust, which is a fine exhaust, but the diameter is restricted. The exhaust on the GTs and this car goes from 3 inches to 2.5 to 2.75. It changes. Having everything be full 3-inch gives you the ultimate experience. And even with the valves closed, very docile, very refined, drive around normally, no problems. But when you open it, woo! This thing is wicked. car. Good car. Do I prefer this to an M5? Wow. I never would have thought.
Bro, it still has so much.
Wow. Here we go, ready? Listen to this one, ready? Against the wall.
Jump.
This must be the Mercedes way. Let's just lay black lines everywhere. Oh my God. Oh wait. And the good thing about this exhaust is you can have those people deliver this exhaust to your house so you can put it on your E63 and sound like this.